This is a job number NVE 1015. It's a 1,060 ton 4-post up-acting press. The press is guarded on 3 sides by metal bolted on guarding. The front of the press is guarded with a lower skirt and vertical and horizontal light curtains. We're going to go ahead and run the press in manual, showing that in manual mode, the light curtains are in the circuit going up. If the light curtains are broken, the press will stop. In manual mode, the press can be opened with the light curtains broken. That's the only mode that allows the press to move in is manual with the light curtains broken, only on opening. Then we're going to go ahead and do an auto cycle. We're going to show that the light curtains are in the circuit going up and down in auto. The press will also go through a clamp sequence of 30 seconds, and then it'll decompress and open. Okay, we just demonstrated the safety light curtains in auto. The press is clamped up now. The operator gets an okay to release light, allowing him to release the buttons. And once the press times out, it'll decompress and open. I'm going to break the light curtain to show that in auto it'll stop if the light curtain's broken. Go ahead and do an auto cycle again. Once it's clamped up and timing, I want you to hit an E-stop. We're going to do an auto cycle, get the press closed, let it come up to tonnage. Then we're going to do an E-stop, showing that we get rid of all stored energy anytime the E-stop is pressed. We don't allow the press to have any stored hydraulic energy. Okay, you got an okay to release light. Now the press will come up to tonnage, and he's going to hit an E-stop. There's an E-stop. Press decompresses, stays where it is. Go ahead and do a restart, and you can open it up, Junior. This press also has multiple ramping of tonnage. The tonnage can be ramped up into different levels in 4 different stages and ramped down. It also has bump capability so that the press can be degassed when the parts are in it. That completes job NVE 1015.